So what is this about drug use?
Excuse me?
Drug use. Let's talk about that because they're recommending SATA.
Yeah, well, I'm not getting, I did have a good problem with drugs, but
So what were you using in this time when probation had not seen you?
marijuana.
No, but nobody is missing probation on just marijuana.
Mhm.
So here's the thing. Your attorney has worked on an agreement with the state.
Mhm.
I don't have to follow it. I can sentence you to 10 years in the prison. So it's probably in your best interest for you to be honest with me because I'm seriously considering following your agreement. They're saying that
Yes.
they agree that you go to SATA. State versus Rick Anthony Contreras. Can I have parties announce?
Rick Anthony for the state of Texas.
David Andre Woodard for Mr. Contreras.
And are you Rick Anthony Contreras?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Rick Anthony Contreras who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 1287 on August 29, 2022 for a period of 5 years for the offense of injury to the elderly bodily injury? Is that you?
Yes.
All right, state.
I guess Your Honor, we're here this afternoon on the state's motion to enter adjudication of guilt in guilt committee supervision. Violation condition number 14. On or about the 13th day of July, 2023, in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Rick Anthony Contreras, who then and there failed to apply for, provide documentation of attendance, and comply with all rules, regulations, instructions, and financial agreements as directed by the court and or supervision officer and or the head of or authorized personnel of the following program: hostility management aggression course, and violation of condition number 14.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
It's true, ma'am.
State will waive the remaining violations, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No objections, Judge.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 14, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition 14?
Yes, it's just that my son had passed away on June.
No. So here's the thing. I'm just asking you that specific question. Do you understand?
Yes.
And then if you have reasons that you want to express to the court for why you did certain things or didn't do certain things, that would be part of your mitigation, and your attorney can ask questions if he chooses. You understand? No problem. So the court will find violation of condition number 14 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, there is, Your Honor. That is to deny the motion, alter and amend conditions to allow for SATIF, followed by aftercare.
Is that the agreement, counsel?
It is, Judge.
All right. Is there something you wanted to say to me?
No, it's just that,
You want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Rick Anthony Contreras.
All right, what did you want to say to me?
It's just that I had lost my son to a tragic death and accident, and I went through depression, and that's the reason why I stopped reporting. And like 4 months passed by, and when I finally started coming to, I realized that I failed to report it, and I just got scared and just stopped reporting after that.
So what is this about drug use?
Excuse me?
Drug use, let's talk about that because they're recommending SATA.
Yeah, well, I'm not getting, I did have a good problem with drugs, but
So what were you using in this time when probation had not seen you?
marijuana.
No, but nobody is missing probation on just marijuana.
Mhm.
So here's the thing. Your attorney has worked on an agreement with the state.
Mhm.
I don't have to follow it. I can sentence you to 10 years in the prison. So it's probably in your best interest for you to be honest with me because I'm seriously considering following your agreement. They're saying that
Yes.
they agree that you go to SATA. But let me just tell you, I'm not sending someone to SATA on the first try just because they have they use marijuana. So I know there's more than this. So
Uh,
here's the thing. You need to be honest with me. If you don't want to be honest with me, then I will understand. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we're going to start over. And we'll just start from ground zero.
Mhm.
So state your name for the record. You're under oath.
Rick Anthony Contreras.
All right, so state and the defense have agreed that you should go to SATA.
Ma'am.
Why are they asking that you go to SATA?
Because I have used drugs,
All right, what drugs?
meth and marijuana.
Anything else?
Uh, that's, I don't think I can use anything else. I just have
All right,
meth.
so- How often had you been using meth?
I wasn't using it that much. I used it a few times, but.
I don't know what that means because I wasn't with you.
Um, maybe once a week or twice a week.
All right, that's a lot. In my world, I think that's a lot.
Yes, ma'am.
So are you employed?
Yes.
Doing what?
I work, a groundskeeper for, a gentleman in Bernie, Texas.
For a gentleman in Bernie,
Yes,
Texas?
he's the owner of a concrete foundation company.
Mm-hmm. And so what exactly are you doing for them?
I do all the landscaping work for him and plant the trees and keep the garden, like a basic gardener.
What trees are you planting?
Trees that he buys for his property.
But what would be the name of these trees?
I plant, like planted some, anything, but I planted like 20 different trees there that he bought for the first property that I planted there, and some, can't even think right now, just like my stuff, but I planted several trees for him there. I did all the landscaping there, the landscaping design.
And are you digging the holes to put the plants in?
No, we use, an excavator.
And do you start the trees off with fertilizer?
Well, I dig a hole and then I put fertilizer in the ground. I put some, root stabilizer in. And then I water it and then fill the hole, put the tree in there and fill up the hole with the dirt.
And you're only using the fertilizer for planting of trees and nothing else?
Well, for some plants,
I mean, and just plants and trees, nothing else?
yeah, just, that's it, basically, for the plants and trees that we got there.
All right. And do you have any children in the household?
No, ma'am.
All right, the court will deny the motion. Alter and amend conditions to include a referral to SafeP. I'm sorry, not SafeP, SATA. And that's to be in custody. And followed by aftercare. And there's to be no residing with minors. Probation, is there anything else? Okay. Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
I think it's,
All right. All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. You need to be honest, at least with me in this court, because I'm trying to put conditions so that you can be successful and I don't have to see you anymore for violating your conditions, okay? If there's something you need, if you feel as though you're gonna use, pick up the phone, call your probation officer. So what they're gonna do is they're gonna let me know about it and we're gonna see if we can get you some help, okay?
Thanks.
All right, you're welcome. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Judge.
My Rose of Sharon hasn't been the same since the freeze.
Thank you so much.
So, all right, good luck to you.